We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner on a Brother HL2140. Now this one has two different types of cartridges, the toner cartridge that it can use. It has a TN330, your yield on that is 1.5, that's going to be your low yield. And then you have the TN360, your yield on that is 2.6, that'll be your high yield. As always, Onyx recommends the high yield because you get more in your toner and it makes your cost per page lower. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this front door right here. You're going to pull this out. Might be a little tricky. Okay, and so this whole thing, this is going to be your toner and your drum. So what you're going to do is you're going to press this green button right here. This is going to be your toner. You take your new toner, you'll install it into your old drum. You'll hear it click. Then you take it and you just put it right back in here. Shut your hatch and you should be good to go. I don't think it's in there all the way. Let's see. There we go. Alright, yep, so once you shut that, you should be good to go. If you have any questions, you can give us a call if you're in need of supplies or quote. Give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.